How's it going today, folks? I'm just finishing up some client work. It's cartoon style. You can still vector color, but you'll notice it's not all closed lines. So how do you color those in Adobe Illustrator in vector format without closing the lines, without using the gap tool? Well, let me quickly show you. So what you'll do is you'll pick your color. Just go to our color picker. I also need a sky to go with this. Not that color. Let's do like a nice baby blue. Perfect. So we got like a nice baby blue. Then underneath the line work, you create another layer. Then you select P for the pen tool. And then what you're going to do is we want to select this sky area. Now, if we do live paint, it'll fill in, but it will also trickle into here because these are essentially open lines, I guess, if that makes sense to you. The black closed lines are the vector format lines that live will essentially assume is closed. So what we're going to do is we're just going to click to here. We'll just go here. Let's go here. Connected shape. Then press A. Select off. I'm going to zoom in to show you behind your line art, which is perfect. Nice, you see though here, it's overlapping the other one. So the grass, so what we want to do is we'll bring that below. The grass is on this fill color, and this is the other fill color. So now it's underneath that, which is good. So we're going to bring that up. So we want it to be aligned. And then we also want to grab this on, select it, make sure it's highlighted. See how this one's not highlighted? This one's highlighted. Then you want to drag it to where you want. See now, boom, click off. And now it's all streamlined. Nice fill of the skyline. So then when I finish this section, the big bulk sections don't have closed line. I'll create another layer and I live paint it all. And then I can go from there. For a lot of you guys know this already, but there's a lot of people out there that don't know it. And see, if you have it going like this, what you can do is you can shape it. So you click A, click here. We're going to add another anchor point to this, and we're just going to drag it here. Add another anchor point here, and then we just pull it. There you go, boom. It's right behind. See? And then we'll add one more here. If that makes sense to you. Essentially, you're just creating the shape. You can reshape it. So Shift C and shape it so it's the form of. And then we're going to add another one to here. It's a very tedious process, but because you're creating a vector shape that can be scalable, vector graphic, it's all mathematical and done precision-wise. Very clean, very crisp, as you can see. Like I can blow this up to literally, what is that, like 25,500%. Okay! For this image, so you can go on a billboard and still look extra crispy. And that's the difference between putting in the quality work. It's a tedious process for artists, so this is where our skill sets come into play.
Darn tootin'.
We make all these, you can live trace over certain things, but you still have to go in and clean up all the line work so that it looks like you're drawing. Like I originally hand drew this all, and then I scanned it all in. And then this is now going to be a poster, a Facebook cover poster for my client, as you'll see. Parental Alienation Canada and all these other organizations that help out families of divorce stay together. So they commissioned me to do this, which is fantastic. Thanks, Monique and group of Parental Alienation Canada. I really appreciate it. It's a fun project to work on. I did the character designs for them, so I hand drew them all out with my skill sets from animation, character design, and then I went off the cartoon aesthetic. We decided on a cool cartoon aesthetic similar to like Hanna-Barbera style, because those cartoons are just nostalgic and awesome. We wanted to showcase that. What they do is families that have been in divorce, they keep them together. So that's what this symbolizes. I came up with the idea. I'm a creative director here. Fun Labs Design Studio is my company, the owner, CEO, and creative director. So I do all of it for my clients, and I care about that and making my client's vision come to a reality. I'm grateful for this opportunity, and I just wanted to show you those little tips and tricks when doing work. It's all about quality, not quantity. Folks, remember that. Anyone can pump out an image, but not anyone can have a creative vision and actually articulate that for clients and for others. Support real art, support real community. Thank you again for supporting Fun Labs Design Studio, and I hope you guys have a fantastic day filled with love, happiness, and bless.